In this short video, I'm going to show you how to rekey a Kwikset lock. So you need the key to come with the new lock, you need the keying tool, and the key you're going to use. So basically what you want to do is you want to insert the key that came with the lock. You need to turn the key till it stops, insert the key tool, push it in all the way, and what this will do will lift all the little pins that drop down behind the key, pull the key tool out, pull the key that came with the lock out, insert your new key, or the key you want to use, turn the lock both ways, and that's all there is to it. So the key that came with the lock originally no longer works. So again, I'll put the original key back in, so I'm going to insert the key I just did, turn the lock, insert the key tool, it clicks, pull the key tool out and the key straight out, take the key that you want to use, insert that key, turn the lock, pins drop back in place, and that's all there is to it. Key, key tool, new key, and done. Make sure you insert your key all the way to the hub or all the way to the back when you put it in there. If you don't, you'll miss a couple of the pins, they'll drop in place, and your key won't work correctly.